Hi, kids! Welcome to the amazing world of shapes. Today, we're going to explore different shapes and learn why they're so special with DJ. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hello, friends! I'm DJ. Let's start by learning about some of my favorite shapes. This is a circle. Circles are round and have no corners. Can you think of something that's shaped like a circle?
Great job! Balls, clocks, and pizzas are all circles.
Now, let's meet my friends, the square and the rectangle. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Rectangles also have 4 corners, but their sides are not all the same length. Can you find some squares and rectangles around you?
Awesome! Windows, books, and doors can be squares or rectangles.
Look, here comes a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. They can look different depending on their sides and angles. Can you think of something shaped like a triangle?
Fantastic! Pizza slices, roofs, and traffic signs are triangles.
Wow! Look at all the shapes we drew! You did an amazing job! Thanks for joining me in the amazing world of shapes. Remember to look for shapes everywhere you go. See you next time!
Bye, kids! Come back next time to laugh, learn, and play with DJ. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe.